Welcome to ICS Buddy, the portable laser interlock controller that complements the laser interlock controller located at the entrance to the laser lab. It's a tablet that enables you to remotely view and control the status of laser interlock controllers and laser shutters operating. With just a Wi-Fi connection, you can see the laser safety status of the whole lab in lab view, or you can see a duplicate of the front panel of the laser interlock controller at the lab entrance. We're going to take a look at how it operates, and to do that we've rigged it up to our demonstration doors and shutters. This is our demo unit. It has a dual channel interlock switch connected to each of the three doors. Everything is connected to the ICS6 interlock controller, including the brake glass e-stop, the override keypad, the LED warning sign, the internal override button, the e-stop button and the distribution box connected to the laser or the laser shutter. To start, just load up the app on the tablet. The doors are closed, so the A and B channel lights are off. Let's open the door. As you'd expect, the lights illuminate for door 1. Close the door. Turn the key switch. The safety OK lights up as well as the arm laser button. On pressing the arm laser button, the laser armed light illuminates. You will also notice that the LED sign has changed to Danger Laser On in red. Authorized personnel with a keypad code can use the interlock override to open the door to enter or exit the lab. The system overridden light illuminates when the code is entered and there is an audible warning. One of the great advantages of the ICS Buddy is that you can open and close shutters remotely. This is how it appears on screen with up to 4 shutters. Press to open the shutter and then press to close. Here is a plan of the lab. Note all doors are closed, the shutter is closed and the laser is on. If we open door 2, the laser stays on because the situation is still safe. However, when we open door 3 as well, the interlock disables the laser. We can now see how this works with Safety Logic Plus that uses logic gates. This OR gate shows input lines for doors 2 and 3 in red for open, so the output to the ICS is disabled. Closing door 2 enables the ICS to arm the laser. The lines change from red to green. Closing door 3 has no subsequent effect as conditions are already safe. This is the end of the first introductory video for ICS Buddy. There will be more to follow.